Hey everyone, this is me saying thank you very much for the support that everybody's shown me. I was able to get this new DJI Mini 4 Pro. So it's the latest in the mini series, which I quite like these little ones because they're not as loud, the battery lasts good, and they take some awesome cinematic shots. So I'm so grateful. It's really strange doing YouTube because it takes a lot of time. So I didn't really like what I was saying after this part, so I thought I'd get the GoPro out and refilm it. And then at the end, we'll go and take this new drone for a flight and show you what it's like. So when I started this channel, I didn't really think that we would be building like this big online community of like-minded campers and stuff like that. It's amazing to me how many people enjoy watching our videos and take the time to write us a comment or writing on our posts on Facebook or our stories. It really does feel like we've got like this stack of people behind us, supporting us, following us, encouraging us, and hopefully we're given some ideas too. When we started, it was that was part of our plan, is we wanted to provide some information to the questions that we had before we started. Like when this was all just a dream to us and full-time travel wasn't a reality, we were like seeking out information about this lifestyle. We've said it in our past videos before, like getting on the road full-time for us was one of the hardest things we've ever done. It felt like such a risk to quit our jobs, to move out of our house and rent it out, and to leave our supports and our friends for a life that we didn't know. Felt like a real leap of faith. So making these YouTube videos is something that I really enjoy doing. To me, it is a lot of fun. Back in the day, I used to do some youth programs, and I used to always make little videos of events and trips that we would go on. I also just love seeing the beautiful scenery around New Zealand and trying to capture it. I just think we live in the best country ever. We have so much diversity, from the mountains, the lakes, the beaches, the rivers, the beautiful water that we have. We're so lucky to live here. And for those that have journeyed with us for a long time, you would have seen the videos improve. Like I've had no training in this. I'm just winging it. You know, every time I think we have like 305 videos on our YouTube channel. So each time I make one, I think, oh, I should have done that, and then I change it for the next one. So I think over 300 videos, they've slowly begun to, well, they've got a lot better. If you go back to our first ever video, which I definitely recommend you do, it's definitely got a lot better. When I started this YouTube channel, I didn't realize the possibilities and the things that would come our way from sharing our journeys online, from people that have come to meet us, that have watched our adventures and brought us a bit of home kill meat or some groceries or fresh fruit, people that have offered us to come park up on their property. We've had people put some money in our bank account so that we could go out for lunch or dinner. And then there's all of these businesses that are trying to give us products to review on our YouTube channel, to which we say no to 95% of them because we don't really want our channel to turn into a rolling infomercial. We just say yes to the stuff that's useful to us and we think that you guys are going to find useful as well. But the money that was gifted to us or to our channel, to our family, towards buying this drone was actually enough for me to buy the drone and to pay for our music subscription. It was going to be a bit of an expensive week for us because the music subscription was $420, and that just comes out automatically once a year. And then to replace the drone, I knew we were heading off to our next lot of camping adventures, and I really want a drone that's got nice, smooth, good color grading, all of that kind of stuff. It's kind of humbling to me that these videos matter and make a difference to people, that they would cough up some cash. You know, that's pretty amazing that people want to support us that way. So it is not lost on us, that's for sure. I truly am grateful. But anyway, we'll chuck this drone up and we'll have a look at what it can do. We'll open it up first actually. We'll have to go back to the other shot of what I filmed a few days ago though. Alright.
I'm burning bridges with society. Oh, my heart can't be tamed, it keeps pulling me across the canyon, into the great unknown, into the wild, to the wild, to the wild I go. Oh, oh, oh. Into the wild I go. Oh, oh. It's time to break free from all that's holding me. I'm letting go of all I'm supposed to be. It's time to give up everything I know. Into the wild, to the wild, to the wild I go. To the wild I go. To the wild I go. To the